How high should a crib mattress be for a newborn? If you're a new parent wondering about the safest and most convenient height for your newborn's crib mattress, you're in the right place. Let's break it down to ensure your baby's sleep environment is both safe and comfortable. For newborns, the highest setting on your crib is usually the best option. This higher setting makes it much easier for you to move your baby in and out of the crib, especially during those late-night feedings and nap transitions. Since newborns are not yet mobile, they can't sit up, roll over, or pull themselves up, so the highest level is perfectly safe for this stage. Here's why the highest setting is recommended. It allows you to easily lift your baby in and out of the crib without straining your back. This is particularly important for new mothers who may still be recovering from childbirth. The American Academy of Pediatrics, AAP, supports this guideline, emphasizing that the highest setting is suitable until your baby starts to show signs of mobility, such as rolling over or sitting up. To ensure safety, the crib mattress itself should be firm and fit snugly inside the crib. There should be no more than a half-inch gap between the mattress and the crib walls. This tight fit prevents your baby from getting trapped or slipping through the gap. In summary, for newborns, the crib mattress should be at the highest setting to make it easier for you to care for your baby while ensuring their safety. As your baby grows and becomes more mobile, you'll need to adjust the mattress height accordingly to prevent them from climbing out or falling. But for now, the highest setting is just right.